You're standing in the middle of a busy street and suddenly a wheel on your suitcase just snaps off. It is a nightmare scenario that happens way too often because most luggage today feels completely disposable. You see these thin plastic shells and flimsy zippers everywhere you look. They scratch after one flight and fall apart after a year. This is exactly why people are starting to pay a lot of attention to the new hybrid carry-on, from a brand famous for indestructible cases. This company built its entire reputation on gear that can survive the harshest conditions on Earth. Now they are bringing that same rugged energy to a rolling duffel designed for the overhead bin. This bag is not trying to be a flashy fashion statement. It looks like a piece of serious equipment. You get these massive oversized wheels that actually handle gravel and cracked pavement without vibrating your arm off. The construction is heavy duty. We are talking about reinforced materials and weather resistance that makes a standard soft-sided suitcase look like a paper bag. It sits in a very specific sweet spot. It is tougher than a regular bag, but way more flexible than a giant hard shell case. That hybrid design is the real winner here. You can roll it through a smooth airport terminal when you want to be comfortable. Then you can grab the heavy-duty handles and carry it like a traditional duffel when the terrain gets messy. Think about those times you had to haul your gear over mud or uneven cobblestones. A standard suitcase is useless there. This bag thrives in those moments. But we have to be honest about the trade-offs. This kind of strength comes with a price tag. It is not a cheap piece of gear. It also carries some extra weight because those rugged materials are dense. If you're the type of traveler who counts every single ounce to meet strict airline limits, this might feel a bit heavy. There is also the reality that some people just love the total armor of a hardshell case. This bag is different. It is flexible and adaptable. You can actually stuff a few extra items in there and use the compression straps to cinch everything down tight. It feels like a tool for a professional traveler rather than a toy for a casual tourist. You get zippers that feel like they could hold back a flood. They do not snag or feel like they are going to pop under pressure. It is an investment in peace of mind. You are buying something that you do not have to baby or worry about. You can toss it into the back of a truck or let it sit in the rain for a minute without a panic attack. This is gear for the person who wants to reach their destination without a broken handle or a torn seam. It is a very practical choice for the upcoming year of travel. If you value durability over everything else, this shift toward tougher hybrid gear is a breath of fresh air. It is built to last a lifetime instead of just a few trips. This is how travel gear should be made.